Hello, in this video I show you how to save Google Docs. So first go to your Google Drive. Once you're in your Google Drive, open the correct folder and you can create a new document or you can open an existing one. I've already created one, so here's the document. And on the top you see an icon and this is the document status. And it says all changes are saved. If I remove this word hello, you see that it's automatically saving. So every time you make a change, it saves it automatically at the top. You can also change the document saving location. So next to the saving icon, there's a folder icon. And if you want to move it to another folder, you can create the folder. Say hello new folder. This is the folder name. Now it's created and empty, and I can move the document over there. So right now I can go to hello new folder, and there it is. Okay. You can also download and export the document to a Word document or maybe to a PDF. Therefore you can go to File and then you go to Download, and here you can choose different formats how you can download and export the document. So if you want to save it as a PDF, there it is. If you don't see it at the bottom in your browser, it will be somewhere on your computer in your Downloads folder. You can also share Google Docs with a link to other people, so they can also work in the Google Docs too. So this can be handy too. So if you clear the share icon, you can send it to somebody just by copying the link. Just make sure that the settings are that people are able to edit it. And if you send this link right now to somebody, they can open the Google Docs and you can work in it together at the same time. So you see that I'm logged in at the moment 2 times, but you will see different colors with different names, and people can work it in the document at the same time, and it will be automatically saved for everybody. This is one of the few things I love most about Google Docs, that you can work on it with multiple people together. Well, I guess that's it. Let me know if you have any questions in the comments. If you want me to make an instruction video about something, you can leave a comment too. And if this video is helpful, please leave a like and I will appreciate it a lot. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.